Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a Wollensak 8075. This comes from Scott in Los Angeles, California. Thank you, Scott, for your business from California. And just sent in for general service, motor replacement mainly. When I opened this unit, I noticed that there was some troubleshooting done on the motor speed control board. There were some wire nuts holding a few things together, and it was pretty much a mess. And so I eliminated all that stuff, and I've got a new motor in there with a new speed control board, and reservice the caps in, and just general servicing procedures for the most part. So let's go ahead and pop a tape in and make sure everything works.
What they're saying isn't true.
Auto eject, and there we go. Got both channels working, all 4 tracks playing, auto eject works, and all that cool stuff. So that takes care of that. There's not a whole lot to test on a home deck. There's no virtual balance or fader or anything like that. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that'll be contained in the work order, and those questions will be answered as you're filling it out. And that way, if you need to call me or want to call me, it's just for a quick little chat, to get to know me, trust me, stuff like that. But as far as I'm just trying to get around answering the same 15-minute series of questions from each new customer about my options, price, and turn time. So if you could do that research before calling me, that's very much appreciated. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Scott, for your business from LA, and we'll see you guys next time.